Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw Santa Claus. Let's the drawing begin. First, we draw the face of the Santa Claus. These are the eyebrows and the eyes. The nose, big mustache here, mouth at the bottom. It has a long beard. These are the hairs. Another cloth. Let's draw a small circle. We can draw a hand. All right. Let's connect it like this. This is the left hand. Now we are going to draw the right hand and draw here. Right hands will look like this. Okay, this is his belt. It's a big belt in the middle. All right, this is the leg lower part and the little fluffy and soft part at the border side of the dress. Let's draw the legs now. It's folded at the bottom. This is the shoe. Little design here and another shoe in these legs. Also a design here. Okay, let's put a big bag here. He's carrying with lots of gifts. Having lots of gifts. All right. So this is the drawing. Now we can put some shades here. All right. Let's put some shades here too. Pants are a little darker. The shoe is black. Beards are white. Little detail on the eyes. and the eyebrows are thicker, mouth little darker and shades here, and the bottom. Alright, Santa always wears the red things, red clothes. Let's put the red here. Alright, the dress is red too. Let's put red all the way up here. Alright, Santa looking good here. And the bag is also red too. Alright, let's make the drawings. The hands little darker, this one little darker too, and the mustache, it's darker. This is the drawing. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Oh, little more details here. All right, thank you, have a good day.